Right. What we'll do, we'll take the other concepts. That's called diluted earnings per share. Give the next heading, Roman number 3. Everyone give the heading, Roman number 3, diluted earnings per share. Diluted earnings per share. Diluted earnings per share. आराम से, there is no hurry. We will see. See, कल बोला था मैंने आपको. What is the reason of diluted earnings per share? Because of potential equity contracts. Simple भाषा में ऐसे कोई contracts, anything which will result in equity in future, they are called potential equity. They are not equity today, but they will become equity shares in futures. Right now, yes. Point number 1. Point number 1. Diluted earnings per share would arise only because of potential equity contracts. Diluted earnings per share would arise only because of potential equity contracts. Potential equity contracts. Point number 2. Potential equity contracts. डेस्क थोड़ा ज्यादा हाइट हो गया लग रहा है मेरे को. Potential equity contracts are those which would result in issue of equity shares in futures.
Yes, sir.
Issue of equity shares in future. ऐसा कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट जिसके कारण फ्यूचर में इक्विटी शेयर देना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
Example 1. Conversion of debentures into equity shares. Conversion of debentures into equity shares. B. Conversion of preference into equity shares. C. Allotment of equity shares under ESOPs. ESOP, employee stock option plan. Are you there?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. D.
Yes, sir.
Sir, examples you can write 100, sir. In 4D, allotment of equity shares for purchase of fixed assets. Imagine in past you have purchased fixed asset and you have promised a payment in equity shares.
Yes, sir.
50% payment in cash, balance 50% through allotment of equity shares.
Yes.
Like how Facebook has purchased WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
You have allotted shares only now.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So these are few examples of nothing but what, sir? These are some examples of potential equity contracts. Why the word potential equity? Because these contracts will result in allotment of equity shares in future. Right now. Next, point number 3. Because of potential equity contracts, there could be dilution. So dilution matlab reduction. Dilution matlab reduction in earnings per share in future. Because of potential equity contracts, there could be dilution in EPS in future. Therefore, accounting standard 20 requires an entity should disclose should disclose both present EPS, which is called BEPS, yes or no,
Yes, sir.
and diluted earnings per share, if any. Why I'm telling if any? See, there is no rule that we should have a potential equity contract. That's first thing.
Yes, sir.
Potential equity contract रहना बोल के कोई rule नहीं है. Second thing, it may be anti-dilutive. Who knows, because of potential equity contracts, the EPS will increase.
Yes, sir.
Remember that. So point number 4, possibilities. Possibilities क्या क्या है देखो, मैं तो ऐसे पढ़ा था ना पूरे चार्ट फॉर्म में. If
Yes, sir.
there is no potential equity contracts, if there is no potential equity contracts, नहीं है भाई potential equity contract, in this case
Yes.
diluted earnings per share need not be computed. Dilution होगा ही नहीं,
Sir.
need not be computed. If potential equity contracts exist, split into two. It may result in dilution of EPS. It may result in dilution of EPS, or it may result in anti-dilution. Chemical class chapter undi.
Yes, sir.
It's called dilution of EPS, or it's called anti-dilution. Anti मतलब EPS बढ़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, disclose diluted earnings per share. Anti-dilution मतलब EPS will increase. So in
Yes,
this
sir.
case, diluted earnings per share should be basic earnings per share. मतलब गवर्नमेंट क्या बोल रही है अपनी, ICAI क्या बोल रही है, in future if the EPS will increase, don't disclose, be silent.
Okay.
पागल हो गए लोग, क्यों साइलेंट रहते कि सब डिस्क्लोज करो ना भाई.
Yes, sir.
मतलब in future because of potential equity contracts, if you are expecting the EPS will increase,
Yes, sir.
है ना भाई, but you have to be silent करते, मत डिस्क्लोज करो होते. मतलब गवर्नमेंट क्या बोल रही है, अगर EPS बढ़ेगा फ्यूचर में तो चुप रहो, say DEPS is equal to BEPS. Therefore, if because of potential equity contracts, if future earnings per share will increase, then it's called anti-dilutive. हम लोग उसको anti-dilutive बोलते हैं. Anti-dilutive मतलब future EPS बढ़ेगा. Therefore, don't disclose such anti-dilutive EPS. In such case, diluted EPS should be equal to basic EPS for disclosures. Okay? कंजर्वेटिज्म के कॉन्सेप्ट में फॉलो करते सारे लोग, फ्यूचर में ग्रोथ आएगा वो सब मत दिखाओ.
Yes, sir.
Done?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
देख रहा हूँ किसका एयर साउंड आ रहा बोल के. ये तुम्हारी क्लास में होता सर, बाकी क्लास में नहीं होता मेरे साथ. ये तुम्हारी क्लास में किसी का सेटअप प्रॉब्लम है. ठीक है, shall we move?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let's take some examples to understand this. One more point you write, you will not understand now. लिख के रखो. Point number 5, we never know ICAI का headache. Sir, problem है, imagine a case if there are more than one potential equity contracts. A company got convertible debentures also, convertible preference shares also, a company got ESOPs also. Then question is how to compute diluted earnings per share? Shall we compute for each of the portion? How? वो नहीं पता ना.
Yes, sir.
Because if there are more than one potential equity contract, then how should we start the working is the question. तो यहाँ पे लिख के रखो heading. In case of more than one potential equity contracts, in case of more than one potential equity contracts, compute diluted EPS in sequence. Compute diluted EPS in sequence. That is, start with that potential equity contract. Start with that potential equity contract, which will result in most dilution. Which will result in most dilution. ये नहीं सम आएगा. You have to wait for a sum. Start in that sequence, which will result in most dilution. सबसे ज्यादा जो डाइल्यूट करेगा उससे स्टार्ट कीजिए.
Yes, sir.
वो कैसे पता चलेगा? Only through an example you'll understand. Otherwise, I'll create an example for you. Don't worry. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
चलो. Take some examples. This is all about potential equity contract. लोग सोचते हैं बहुत हार्ड है, बहुत इजी है सर. बिकॉज आपके एग्जाम में डेप्स के साथ बेप्स दोनों देगा. बेप्स एंड डेप्स यू टू बी डूइंग टुगेदर.
Yes, sir.
Let's take an example to understand this. Example. Aram se, there's no hurry. Right now, the profit after tax is 10 lakhs. लिखो please मेरे साथ.
Yes, sir.
Right now, the profit after tax is 10 lakhs. The number of equity shares with us is 1 lakh. We have 10,000. We have 10,000 10% debentures. We have 10,000 10% debentures of 100 rupees each. We have 10,000 10% debentures of 100 rupees each. मतलब 10 lakhs.
Yes, sir.
These debentures will convert into equity shares. That is one debenture will convert into 5 equity shares. Not now, in future. Will convert बोल रहा हूं. That is one debenture will convert into 5 equity shares.
Yes, sir.
The tax rate is 30%. See why I am discussing tax rate, because when you are paying interest on debentures, you are getting tax savings.
Tax. Yes, sir.
In future, if you don't pay interest, your income will increase, na?
Yes, sir.
You have to pay tax on that.
Yes, sir.
Compute basic earnings per share and diluted earnings per share.
Yes, sir.
Dilution on the leda we don't know, but you have to compute. Computation तो करना पड़ेगा.
Yes, sir.
Very easy. Shall we start? Answer तो पता ही है आपको. First I'll start with BEPS. BEPS is equal to, very easy. BEPS is equal to earnings available to equity shareholders divided by weighted
Number of
equity shares. Earnings available to equity shareholders divided by number of equity shares. which
Yes,
is equal
sir.
to, how much is the earnings available to equity shareholders? 10 lakhs.
10 lakhs divided by
10
1
lakhs
lakh.
divided by 1 lakh.
1 lakh rupees 10
Equal to
per share.
10 rupees per share.
Hmm.
Therefore, your basic earnings per share is 10.
Hmm.
Now, next, diluted earnings per share. Dilution मतलब
Yes.
अभी न्यूमिनेटर में भी चेंज आएगा, डिनोमिनेटर में भी चेंज आएगा.
Yes, sir.
लिखो, if debentures will convert into equity, ये मेरा फुल्ली कन्वर्टेबल एग्जांपल है. एग्जाम में पार्टली कन्वर्टेबल भी दे सकता है आपको.
हाँ, okay, sir.
कैसे भी you should be able to handle it properly.
Yes, sir.
If debentures will convert into equity, then there would be savings of interest, but net of tax. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
There will be savings of interest, but net of tax. Interest का saving होगा, but net of tax. Therefore, let's compute savings of interest. Savings of interest, net of tax.
Yes, sir.
First, interest कितना बचेगा sir? Don't be in a hurry. 1000 into 100 into 10%. So 10 lakhs के हिसाब से 10% 1 lakh. Do you agree?
Yes, sir.
But on this savings you have to pay 30%.
30% tax minus 70,000.
You have to pay 30% tax,
Yes, sir.
which comes to 30,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
If I remove net savings would be 70,000. Net saving 70,000 आएगा.
Yes, sir.
Next, number of equity shares to be issued. Number of equity shares to be issued because of conversion is equal to 10,000 into 5 by 1, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, sir.
Because if one debenture will become 5 equity shares, then 10,000 should become 10,000 into 5.
10,000. Yes, sir.
That is 50,000 equity shares. अब समझ में आया कितना डाइल्यूशन करेगा? 70,000 रुपए बचेंगे 50,000 शेयर्स पे.
Yes, sir.
तो इनडायरेक्टली कितना आएगा? 1 point something.
Yes, sir.
1.2 और 1.5 आएगा मैक्स टू मैक्स. राइट नो EPS is 10 rupees. सुपर डाइल्यूशन होगा देखो अभी.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, diluted earnings per share is equal to, right now how much is the profit? 10 lakhs
10 lakhs
plus how much you're expecting to save in the interest?
70,000.
Whole divided by, right now how many
1
shares
lakh
we have?
50,000. 1 lakh
1 lakh
plus
how many fresh
50,000.
shares will get added? 50,000.
50,000.
That implies this would become 10.7 lakh by 1.5 lakh. That is equal to how much?
7.133.
7.133
baht.
7.13 rupees per share.
Yes, sir.
बस 10 रुपए सीधा 7 रुपए पे आ जाएगा. लिटरली 30% कट इन EPS.
Yes, sir.
Literally your EPS will fall by 30% because of dilution, because of this much
Dilution.
dilution.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shall we?
Yes, sir. पहले का ही ऑफर अच्छा था ना सर.
हाँ
कन्वर्जन पहले का ही ऑफर अच्छा था सर.
हाँ ऑफर कुछ नहीं. जब डिबेंचर तब इश्यू करते तभी बोल देते ना रिडम्पशन कैसे होगा बोल के.
Yes, sir.
अभी कंपनी ओवर द पीरियड ऑफ टाइम दे परफॉर्म इन EPS.
Yes,
अभी
sir.
जो लोग डिबेंचर खरीद के बैठे हैं दे आर लाइक सेफ पीपल.
Yes, sir.
उनको थोड़े पीरियड तक इंटरेस्ट आएगा. दे आर हैप्पी. If they don't like, they can sell the debenture to someone.
Yes,
If they feel no, the company is good, they can retain the debenture.
Yes, sir.
So that in the process of debenture, they'll get equity and they'll get the good capital appreciation.
Yes, sir.
For the company, it will not be that good. हाँ.
Yes, sir.
पर आज के जमाने में कन्वर्टेबल डिबेंचर्स बहुत रेयर है सर. नहीं दिखते.
Yes, sir.
बिकॉज डेट को इजीली रीपेमेंट ही करना चाहते हैं कोई भी, एंड इक्विटी का धीरे धीरे वैल्यू बढ़ता है ना, सो गिविंग इक्विटी फॉर डिबेंचर इज नॉट दैट गुड
That good, yeah.
unless you want to really attract debenture holders.
Yes, sir.
Therefore basic earnings per share is 10 rupees and diluted earnings per share would be 7.13 rupees. So this is no doubt dilution. You have to disclose both the information in the financial statements.
Yes, sir.
You got an idea now? Shall we take one more sum?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Partly.
Yeah. Example number 2. Example से ही समझ में आएगा पूरा chapter.
Okay, sir.
Example number 2. Right now, profit after tax. Right now, profit after tax is 5 lakhs. Very nominal profit.
Okay, sir.
The number of equity shares with us is 2 lakhs. Okay. We have profit after tax bracket में after preference dividend.
Yes, sir.
After preference dividend. फिर से confusion आएगा. We have 10,000 12% preference shares of 100 rupees each. We have 10,000 12% preference shares of 100 rupees each. कितना हो जाता सर? 10 लाख हो जाता ना?
Yes, sir.
10 लाख. Okay. Each preference share will be converted into 4 equity shares. 4 equity shares in future. 4 equity shares in future. That's it. Sir, now because if you save dividend,
Yes, sir.
if you save dividend, don't have to pay tax on it, not required.
Yes, sir.
Because dividend is paid after tax only.
After tax, yes,
So
sir.
आपको एग्जाम में कंफ्यूज करेगा. Tax rate is 30%. Actually, this information is not required. Still in exam, they will confuse you by giving tax rate.
Yes, sir.
Practically, dividend is paid after tax only.
After tax, yes, sir.
So if you save dividend, you will not do any tax payment again.
Yes, sir.
Earlier, if you save dividend, there was saving in DDT, dividend distribution tax.
Yes, sir.
अभी ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं है. Compute BEPS and the DEPS. Compute BEPS and DEPS. Very easy. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आराम से. First, basic earnings per share. Solution, boss. Solution, BEPS is equal to basic earnings per share is equal to, आराम से, कितना है सर basic earnings per share इस समय? 5 lakhs divided
5 lakhs divided by 2 lakhs.
Yeah, that is 2 rupees 50 paisa per share.
Per share, yes, sir.
Diluted earnings per share के लिए working. You got an idea? I'm doing directly. Savings in preference dividend would be, how much preference dividend you are expecting to save? It would be
20,000.
10,000 into 100
100
into
into
12%.
12%. 1,20,000.
1,20,000. No, don't say I will pay tax on this. No need to pay tax.
Yes, sir.
Shall we move?
Yes, sir.
Number of equity shares on conversion. Number of equity shares to issue on conversion.
Yes, sir. 10,000.
Number of equity shares to issue on conversion कितना आएगा?
40,000.
10,000.
10,000 into 4 by 1.
4 by 1. Yes, sir.
How much?
40,000.
40,000.
हाँ, अगर आप observe करो, you will get a savings of 1.2 on 40,000. It is
40.
3 rupees. ये एंटी डाइल्यूशन है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why anti dilution? Because right now EPS is only 2.5. इसके कारण भी EPS बढ़ेगा, देखो आप.
Yes, sir.
Because savings is 1.2 and number of shares is only 40. So this by itself will contribute 3 rupees per share independently.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So this is an example of anti dilution.
Yes, sir.
हो सकता है, nothing wrong.
Okay, sir.
Therefore, diluted earnings per share is equal to, it's 5 lakhs plus 1.2 lakh divided by how many shares? 2 lakhs
2 lakhs
plus
40,000.
40. That is equal to 6 lakhs
2.58.
20,000 by 2 lakh 40,000.
2.583.
Slightly EPS बढ़ गया, देखो.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
That is which is anti dilutive. Anti dilutive हो गया ये.
Yes, sir.
Therefore anti dilutive हो गया. Therefore as preferential shares upon conversion would result in increase of earnings per share, comma, it is anti dilutive. एंटी डाइल्यूटिव है बोल के डोंट डिस्क्लोज 2.583.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, diluted earnings per share to be disclosed
Equals to BEPS.
is equal to 2.5 rupees. పెరుగుతుందని చెప్పకండి, then silent हो जाओ, don't disclose.
Yes, yes.
So मैं तो ऐसे casually लिया, maybe हो गया वो diluted, anti dilutive हो गया. Example.
Yes, sir.
So one example was on dilution, one example was anti dilution. There is one contract which will always do dilution, ESOPs.
Yes, sir.
ESOP में problem क्या है? You are allotting share at very low value when compared to the market price.
Market price.
Guarantee anti dilution. पर कैसे करना है वो देखो. Very important. Very important example. Exam में बहुत बार पूछता है, बच्चे कंफ्यूज भी हो जाते हैं, भगवान भरोसे क्यों. देखो example number 3. Now listen, सुनो. Suppose if I join both these problems. Example, let PAT and shares remain unchanged. If I join both the problems, see, because of debentures, if you observe, because of debentures, the answer was 0.7 divided by 0.5,
Yes, sir.
which was coming around 1 point kitna 4.
Yes, sir.
अरे
Yes, sir.
debentures,
Yes, sir.
Potential equity contract, if it is debentures, then the EPS independently was 1.4.
Yes, sir.
And if the potential equity contract is preference share, it is a 1.4,
1.2.
1.2 divided by 40. Remember?
Yes, sir.
It
Yes,
was
sir.
3 rupees.
Yes, sir.
This was coming 1.4, this was coming 3 now.
Yes, sir.
So if both the contracts are there, you have to start with debentures first.
Yes, sir.
Then you have to
Okay.
take preference shares.
Hmm.
So BEPS plus debentures plus preference shares. Wherever the answer becomes lower than BEPS, that you have to disclose.
Yes, sir.
पहले BEPS करेंगे, फिर BEPS plus debentures, फिर BEPS plus debentures plus preference.
Yes, sir.
समझ में आ रहा है? Don't worry, I'll do one sum, but I'm telling you. So that is a sequence. मैं क्या बोला यहाँ पे sequence में? You have to start with that potential equity contract. उस contract से start कीजिए जो सबसे ज्यादा dilution करेगा.
Yes, sir.
Now, debentures was contributing 1.4 in EPS. Preference shares was contributing 3 rupees in EPS. So which one is the lowest? Debentures.
Debentures.
Start with that. Then after that, move to preference. Clear?
Yes, sir.
So this I'll erase again. Because why to confuse the notes? तो बहुत थक जा रहे सर अब. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, shall we?
Yes, sir.
एक्टिव लाइफ चली गई सर कोविड के कारण प्रॉपरली. ये बैठ बैठ के पढ़ाना इज लाइक हेडेक. पहले घूम घूम के पढ़ाते थे ना. एग्जाम्पल नंबर 3, ESOPs. वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. ESOPs में mandatorily the shares are allotted at low price when compared to market price.
Market price. Yes, sir.
तो लिखो right now presently our profit after tax or earnings available to equity shareholders is 10 lakhs. The number of equity shares is 2.5 lakhs. सुनना है. 40,000 equity shares are to be allotted to employees under ESOP having a fair market value of 80 at an exercise price of 20. If you observe, in 80 rupees they are paying only 20 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Logically 25% consideration they are paying.
Yes.
So 75% of the shares will do dilution.
Yes, sir.
Logic समझो, बहुत easy है. Don't write, just listen. Don't write. Indirectly 75% will do dilution. Imagine for 80, if they are paying 40 rupees,
50%.
50% will do dilution. Imagine for 80, if they are paying say 60, then 25% will do dilution. Imagine for 8 rupees, they are paying 16 rupees. 80% will do dilution.
Yes, sir.
वो रेशियो कंप्यूट करना आना है. फ्री एलिमेंट कितना है देखो ना यार, व्हेन कंपेयर टू फेयर मार्केट प्राइस. इफ यू ऑब्जर्व 80 minus 20, फ्री एलिमेंट इज 60. 60 by 80 is 75% dilution. तो जितना गैप रहेगा एफएमवी और एक्साइज प्राइस में उतना ज्यादा डाइल्यूशन. माय फीस इज 5,000. if I give you 100 rupees discount, you may not do much dilution. Still you will do dilution but not much. If I give you 1,000 rupees discount, about more dilution. If I give you 2,000 discount or dilution, imagine in 5,000 I have given you 4,000 discount. Super dilution.
Super dilution. Yes, sir.
समझ में आया?
Yes, sir.
तो indirectly 75% dilution करेंगे. Compute basic earnings per share and diluted earnings per share. Compute BEPS and DEPS. Confuse नहीं होना, easy है. Basics earnings per share would be 10 lakhs divided by 2.5 lakhs. That is equal to 4 rupees per share. अरे बोलो ना सर.
Yes, sir.
4 rupees per share. मैं मिक्तो ले रहा हूँ ना रहा.
Yes, sir.
4 rupees per share. 4 rupees per share. BEPS हो गया?
Yes, sir. DEPS.
Yeah. अभी diluted earnings per share. Underline. लिखो story. As 40,000 shares are to be allotted. Are to be allotted in future, having fair market value of 80 at an exercise price of 20. Therefore, indirectly you are getting 25% value as consideration.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Therefore 75% of shares could be dilution. 75% of shares would result in dilution. कच्चितंगा 75% shares dilute करेंगे ही करेंगे.
Yes,
because
sir.
we are getting consideration which is equal to 25% of market value.
Yes,
So if you
sir.
get everything at market value, no dilution.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, diluted earnings per share would be Right now, how much is the earnings? 10 lakhs. Plus, because of equity shares, you don't get any profitability right now.
Yes, sir.
Hey, paisa aega, profit nahi aega, come on.
Yes, sir.
They will pay
Yes, sir.
40,000 into 20. That is capital
20, yeah.
contribution.
Yes, sir.
But on that capital, you will make future earnings, na, not now, na.
Yes, sir.
Divided by, how many shares are there right now? 2.5 plus
40,000.
40,000 into 75. See what I'm doing? I'm considering only those shares which will do dilution.
Yes, sir.
Indirectly, 10,000 shares are issued for 80 rupees. Hello?
Yes, sir.
And 30,000 shares are issued for free.
Right.
इसका लॉजिक क्या हो जाता पता है?
अच्छा,
इस
right.
पूरे सेंटेंस का लॉजिक ये हो जाएगा. Actually, how much money we are getting? You check it. 40,000 into 20, 8 lakhs. 8 lakhs by 80 मतलब 10,000 shares are issued for market value and 30,000 shares are issued for free. वो हो गया लॉजिक.
Yes, sir.
इस पूरे सेंटेंस का लॉजिक ये हो जाता है.
Okay.
As if 10,000 shares are issued at 80 rupees and 30,000 shares are issued for free.
Free.
फ्री में देंगे तो पूरा डाइल्यूशन करेगा ही करेगा वो.
Yes, sir.
Make clear?
Yes, sir.
So considering only that portion which will do dilution,
Okay.
which is equal to 10 lakhs divided by 2.5 plus 30, 2,80,000. How much? बोलो.
3.571.
3.571 per share. Guarantee dilution. ESOP
yes,
बोले थे
sir.
dilution.
Yes, sir.
ESOP antenna dilution, boss. Because guarantee some component would be free there.
सर प्रॉफिट 0 क्यों लिया सर? वो ऐड क्यों नहीं किया उसका 20 का?
कितना प्रॉफिट है? तो मुझे बोल. नीचे मैंने मार्केट वैल्यू के शेयर्स लिए क्या?
हाँ, नहीं लिए सर.
नहीं लिए तो प्रॉफिट भी क्यों लूंगा?
हाँ, ओके.
मतलब इन 30,000 शेयर्स के कारण कुछ भी पैसा नहीं आ रहा.
यस सर.
तो जब पैसा ही नहीं आ रहा उसको प्रॉफिट भी तो नहीं आएगा ना.
यस सर.
जो 10,000 शेयर्स पे उसपे पूरा पैसा आ रहा तो पूरा प्रॉफिट आएगा फ्यूचर में.
यस सर. सो वो डिस्क्लोज नहीं करते सर वो 10,000 का.
मुजफ्फर, अगर फ्यूचर में एक बच्चा ज्वाइन हो रहा है 5,000 रुपए देके, या 2 बच्चे ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं या 10 बच्चे ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं 5,000 देके, तो क्या वो डाइल्यूशन करेंगे मेरे इसका?
नहीं सर.
हाँ, क्यों? तो मेरी फीस ही 5,000 है. चलो
yes,
5 बच्चे भी ज्वाइन होते हैं 5,000 देके, हर बच्चा 5,000 देके, डाइल्यूशन होगा?
नहीं होगा.
अब ध्यान से सुनो. 5 बच्चे ज्वाइन हो रहे हैं 20,000 रुपए देके, बोल रहे हैं सर हम लोग ज्वाइन होंगे तो 5 लोग एक साथ ज्वाइन होंगे. कभी कभी बच्चे आते हैं ना हमारे साथ, सर वी आर ग्रुप स्टूडेंट्स बोल के. अब हमको भी लगता है साले को एक को छोड़ेंगे तो सब चले जाएंगे. वो लोग क्या करते हैं, फैकल्टी को लिटरली ऐसे करते सर, बोलते सर वी आर 5 स्टूडेंट्स, वी विल ज्वाइन एट 20,000. अभी लॉजिकली दे शुड पे 25.
यस सर.
बट दे आर पेइंग 20. तो मेरे को क्या लगता है, ठीक है ना, फॉर 4 स्टूडेंट्स 1 स्टूडेंट फ्री.
यस सर.
फॉर 4 स्टूडेंट्स 1 स्टूडेंट फ्री.
यस सर.
तो मेरे को क्या लगता है, ठीक है ना, छोड़ो क्या है, एटलीस्ट
बनता
टीचिंग
है.
इज सेम. Logically,
Yes,
4
sir.
students are paying full amount, 1
Full
student
amount.
free. So
Free.
that 1 student who did not pay, na, I'll feel
Making
साला तो
dilution.
dilution कर रहा है.
Dilution. Yes.
वैसा फीलिंग है मेरा.
Okay sir.
Therefore, diluted earnings per share would be 3.571.
Yes sir.
Therefore, BEPS is equal to 4 rupees and DEPS is equal to 3.571. BEPS is equal to 4, DEPS is equal to 3.571. Done?
Yes sir.
Easy?
Yes sir.
So always remember, sir,
Yes sir.
always remember that ESOPs will do dilution, mandatory हो.
Sir.
Yes sir.
कुछ तो dilution करेगा वो.
Yes, sir.
Yes sir.
Therefore, ESOP contracts will always be dilutive. ESOP contracts will always be dilutive. ESOP contract बोले तो dilution होगा.
Yes, sir.
Shall we go?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Now, what we'll do in one sum, we'll bring all the three elements.
Yes, sir.
Convertible preference, convertible equity, and convertible debentures, convertible preference, and ESOPs.
Okay, sir.
Example number 4. Example number 4. Multiple. Example number 4. Example number 4. Multiple potential equity contracts. Example, multiple potential equity contracts. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Potential equity contracts. Aram se. First, presently, the earnings available to equity shareholders is 8 lakhs. Okay. The number of equity shares are 2 lakhs. Number of equity shares 2 lakhs. Hai.
Yes, sir.
Okay. We have the following potential equity contracts. We have the following potential equity contracts. Same contract I'll take. What's wrong? है ना भाई?
Yes, sir.
क्या अपना क्या जाता है? Same contract will take.
Okay.
Same take. You take, no problem.
10,000.
Copy.
10,000. Cheers.
Yeah, this is our first contract.
Preference shares.
10,000, 10% preference shares of 100 rupees each. 10,000, 10% debentures of 100 rupees each. These debentures will convert into equity shares. That is, one debenture will be converted into 5 equity shares.
Yes, sir.
Contract number 2. Just आपको एक फील आना है ना सर, कैसे करते हैं बोल के,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो वो सीक्वेंस का पॉइंट नहीं समझ में आएगा. सेकंड पोटेंशियल इक्विटी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट. हाँ, मैं write on time is done, don't worry. I'll give you time to write.
Yes, sir.
Second potential equity contract. Okay. Third potential equity contract. Shall I?
Yes, sir.
The third potential equity contract is ESOPs.
So,
ఇది కట్ అవుతుందా అవుదా? करो करो आराम से करो. नेक्स्ट, द रेट ऑफ टैक्सेस. देखो कितना लेंथी हो जाता है सम.
yes, sir.
The rate of taxes. The rate of tax is 30%. 30% is the present rate of tax.
Yes, sir.
The rate of tax is 30%. Therefore, 30% rate of tax.
Yes, sir.
क्या करना है? Therefore, compute compute BEPS and DEPS. Bracket में just for your information most diluted. मतलब गिर गिर कर EPS कितना गिर सकता है गिर
Yes, sir.
तो 3 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट है तो what may result in the maximum dilution that you have to compute. So how
Yes,
to
sir.
compute you'll see. ये CA फाइनल में पूछा है सर एक बार ये क्वेश्चन. ठीक है डेटा में भी डिफरेंट अदरवाइज कॉन्सेप्ट इज सेम.
Yes, sir.
उस टाइम पे कहता वी यूज्ड टू हैव सेविंग्स ऑफ डिविडेंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टैक्स आल्सो.
Yes, sir.
अभी डीडीटी नहीं है ना इंडिया में.
Yes, sir.
तो फर्स्ट विल डू बेप्स. आंसर फर्स्ट विल डू बेप्स बेसिक अर्निंग्स पर शेयर. बेप्स इज वेरी सिंपल इन दिस सम.
Yes, sir.
कैसे करेंगे बेप्स हम लोग.
8 lakhs by
अर्निंग्स
2
अवेलेबल
lakhs.
टू शेयर होल्डर्स.
Hmm.
That is 8 lakhs by 2 lakhs.
Per share.
That is 4 rupees per share.
Yes, sir.
Next, DEPS. So because there are more than one potential equity contract, ranking is required.
First day.
लिखो.
Debenture.
As there are more than one potential equity contract, we should assign ranking for computing diluted earnings per share. As there are more than one potential equity contract, we should assign ranking for diluted earnings per share. Shall we?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
आराम से. Convertible debentures, convertible preference shares and ESOPs. ऑर्डर नहीं है, ऑर्डर में दूंगा बाद में.
Yes, sir.
या न्यूमरेटर में क्या चेंजेस आएंगे, डिनोमिनेटर में क्या चेंजेस आएंगे. न्यूमरेटर में मतलब स्पेस ज्यादा हो गया सर इसलिए. Change in numerator, change in denominator, and earnings per share independently, then ranking. Don't worry, easy है. Numerator मतलब how much earnings will increase. Careful. Do now, please, everyone. 10,000 into 100 into 10%. Your earnings will increase by 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
But because it's a savings of interest, you have to pay 30% tax.
30%. Yes, sir.
So your savings should be
90,000.
70,000 rupees.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
डिबेंचर्स के कारण कितना सेविंग आएगा, 10,000 रुपीज का सेविंग आएगा.
10,000. Yes, sir.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
नेक्स्ट न्यूमरेटर में कितना चेंज आएगा. 1 डिबेंचर will become 5 equity shares. So 10,000 debentures should become 50,000 equity shares.
50,000. Yes, sir.
So 70 divided by 50, 1.4.
1.4.
The earnings because of that component.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Convertible preference shares. If I am not wrong, 40,000. 10,000 of 12% preference shares we have of 100 rupees each.
Yes, sir.
So 10,000 into 100 कितना?
10 lakhs.
10 lakhs. 10
10
lakhs
lakh.
12%.
12%. 1 lakh 12,000. Yes, sir.
Savings in dividend would be 1,20,000.
1 lakh 20,000.
But the number of shares would increase by how much?
4 times.
10,000 into
40,000.
4, 40,000. This is how much, 3 rupees.
Rupees.
Yes, sir.
ESOP के कारण प्रॉफिट में तो कुछ भी चेंज नहीं आएगा.
0 nil.
Yes, sir.
But the number of shares which are indirectly allotted for free
Yes,
would be
sir.
30,000.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Because for 80 rupees you are getting 20 now.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
maybe if you are getting 20, indirectly you are getting a 25% consideration. So indirectly
Yes, sir.
75% shares are given for free.
Yes, sir.
So 40,000 into 75% is 30,000 shares.
Yes, sir.
Hanga it will contribute. Nil.
Yes, sir.
So ranking may you have to start with this first, then this, then you have to test this also.
Yes.
So most dilution should be generally by ESOPs. Then it should be by
Okay.
debentures. Then you have to check whether preference is doing any dilution or not.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Next, therefore, computation of diluted earnings per share. Computation of diluted earnings per share.
Yes, sir.
Aram se, there is no hurry. First, for ESOPs, don't write for ESOPs, write with ESOPs. With ESOPs, it would be, sir, what is the earnings right now?
8
8
lakhs.
lakhs. So 8 lakhs plus nil divided by 2 lakhs plus 30,000.
30,000.
Kitna? 2 lakhs, 8 lakhs divided by 2.3.
3.47.
Huh?
3.479.
3.479 rupees. Dilution हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Dilution हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
With ESOPs and debentures. I hope you are getting now.
Yes, sir. Order.
Yes, sir.
ESOP तो कर ही रहा है. Debentures के साथ कितना कर रहा है देखेंगे.
Okay.
It is 8 lakhs plus nil
Plus 7.
plus 70,000
Okay.
by 2 lakhs plus 30 plus 50. कितना? 8 lakh 70 divided by 2 lakh ATR.
3.107.
3.107. हाँ मतलब और डाइल्यूशन हो रहा है.
Yes, sir.
ESOP के बाद डिवेंचर्स और डाइल्यूट कर रहा है.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
लेट्स सी प्रेफरेंस शेयर्स लेके आने से और डाइल्यूशन होगा नहीं होगा. With ESOP, debentures and preference shares, guarantee होगा मेरे हिसाब से. Because preference shares are contributing only 3 rupees ना.
Yes,
And
sir.
right now the answer is 3.1. It will also result in dilution.
Yes, sir.
8 lakhs plus nil
Yes, sir.
plus 70 plus 1 lakh 20. समझ में आ रहा है?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Divided by
Yes.
2 lakhs plus 0.3 plus 0.5 plus 0.4 or 3? 4.
4, sir.
Anyone please? Imagine if the answer is more than 3.107. Here, example, if sec,
Yes, sir.
तो हम लोग नहीं डिस्क्लोज करते ये.
Exactly 3, sir.
3.09
बोलो 3 पॉइंट कितना?
आ रहा था.
हाँ बोलो ना फिर करके एग्जैक्टली बोलो ना. 3.09 है तो 09 बोलो ना.
3.09.
मतलब 3.10 से जस्ट 1 पैसा घटा क्या? पक्का? 8 lakhs, 9 lakhs, 9 lakhs 90,000.
90,000 divided by 3,20,000.
3,20,000 correct. 9 lakh 90 divided by 3 lakh 20. कितना?
Yes, sir.
3.09.
Yes, sir.
3.09. एक पैसा भी घटना ही होता ना.
Yes,
So
sir.
this is also dilution.
Yes.
Therefore most dilution क्या है बोलते हो? 3.09.
Yes, sir.
Therefore most dilutive EPS is equal to 3.09 per share. Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Now let me change one fact in the question. Let's change one fact. ऐसे casually change कर रहा sir.
Yes, sir.
Imagine preference shares are converted into 2. I think I should change the color of the pen. That would be more better. Which color?
Blue.
Blue तो already है ना sir.
Green,
Pink
green
ले
ले
लो,
लो.
pink.
हाँ, pink ले लो.
Sir, imagine these shares will convert into two.
Yes, sir.
Then what will happen? This will become, number of shares will become 20,000.
Hmm.
बोलो ना भाई.
Yes, sir.
This should become 6 rupees. बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Still the order will remain same.
Same.
So no change with ESOP, no change with ESOP and debentures.
Hmm.
This
Yes,
should
sir.
become 0.2.
3.3 हो जाता है.
So answer would become 9.2 divided by
3 lakhs.
9.2 divided by 3 lakhs. कितना?
Hmm.
3.3.
3.3.
3.3 అంటే పెరిగింది కదరా మళ్ళా. 3.3 అంటే 3.10 से तो बढ़ गया ना EPS.
हाँ, sir.
मतलब the most diluted EPS would be in that case
3.107.
3.107 and you write here anti-diluted.
Yes, sir. And
मतलब preference shares will not result in dilution, that's for sure.
Yes,
Hmm.
sir.
Yes,
So you have
sir.
to report up to ESOP plus debentures. 3.107 तक report करना है आपको.
Yes, sir.
This is how you will do the sum. By chance in between if you increase the answer.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
इन तीनों में सबसे कम क्या है वो diluted EPS है भाई.
Hmm.
Am I clear?
Yes, sir.
Therefore conclusion would be BEPS is equal to 4, DEPS is equal to 3.107 with this information. I'm changing everything back. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Per share. Therefore BEPS is equal to 4
4
rupees
rupees.
and DEPS is equal to 3.09. मतलब almost 25% fall in EPS is expected because of potential equity contracts.
Yes, sir.
Almost 25% fall is expected because of potential equity contracts. Am I clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
I'm done. Done with the chapter. वाह 21 pages का notes बना सर. Too lengthy chapter. Done, man.
Yes, sir.
What we can do, we can take some ICI problems now.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
ICI problems ले लेंगे ना.
Hmm. Yes, sir.
Let's take ICI problems. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Right. 1 minute.